Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ki Arnold ki MLA kaseng HSPDP kim kwa ban kran AA halor ke jinglet ajing kershan ni kaseng NPP pat BJP hadian bala depnyo vote kat hadu bagi syak thangi ki ting shop Ahmad Pran menha ka sauterik menta ubnai tang namar bakim tre ban kershan ban thau sarkar bat kaseng UDP pat ki wegi seng riulum kini ki Arnold ki MLA ke HSPDP gilong uba Shakler Wadri na mau that raishan bat uba Methodist dekhar na mau Road constituency Kini Arnold kilawan pa hiyong darbar tawaan ban bams mai kum ki MLA matagasngi. Haba persyang menikran bikini Arnold kim kwa menikran AA handai kinsakran lasai kasngi hadian belada bams mai menteri rangba kejela bat ki menteri hak sarkar MDA paban salong lasai kasngi hayeng sa ulat kejela.
Solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as my Lord established, that I will uphold sovereignty and the integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.